Hello, how you doing? On the menu today, we're going to make this delicious, very easy, and it's really good for you, by the way, lentil stew with some lovely vegetables. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So I've got some yellow dal, so split peas, like 2 cups there, cooked already. Tomatoes chopped, try and use a nice ripe tomato, chopped onion, bay leaf, thyme, garlic, and then the vegetables I'm using, and you can use any ones you want actually, is celery, bell peppers and pumpkins. Think about potatoes, mushrooms, carrots, things like that. That's about it. We're going to start this off with some oil, salt and pepper, absolutely delicious. So I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can be using anything you like actually. And it's very simple. We'll just get our bay leaf in now. Let it do its thing. We're going to drop in our onion, our garlic, our thyme. I mean, you could be using a different herb if you wanted, that's entirely up to you. And I'm also going to get in my celery right now. I'm going to let that go for about, we're going to go like 3 or 4 minutes. We're on quite a lively heat, quite a high heat. Keep it moving. And this will be done in no time. Really, really healthy, delicious, and good for you. So just bringing the first ingredients together. I'm now going to drop in that pumpkin. And like I say, just think of other vegetables. Carrots, mushrooms, eggplant, zucchini. Wonderful stuff. Now we're going to add our cooked dal or split peas. I'm going to get some salt and some black pepper on the go. So with the peas or the dal, what I've done is I've given them a nice wash a couple of times in water, and then I boiled them with some salt for about 25 minutes. Okay, so we're going to go now for about another 3 or 4 minutes, staying on this high heat, keeping it moving. There's not a lot else to go in. We're nearly done actually. Only a couple more processes. Beautiful. Fabulous stuff. We're now going to drop in our fresh tomatoes. So a couple of decent sized tomatoes there. Try and use a nice ripe one. Going to add some water to this now. If you wanted, you could use some like vegetable stock if you wanted, but water works out well for me. Couple of cups of water. Now what we want to do is cook this. We want those tomatoes to really break down, so it's probably going to take about 5 or 6 minutes. Keep it moving. Fantastic. I'm going to love this. So that's been going for about 6 minutes. I added a little bit more water to it because it was drying out. Simply, I'm going to add my last vegetable, which is my bell peppers. Nice bit of colour in there. And I just want to go now for about 4 minutes, which will give me a nice crunch still on the bell peppers that we're using. If you want to deepen the colour, you could add some tomato paste or puree. I like it just like this. I'll see you in 4 minutes. That's looking beautiful, nice consistency now. Off goes the heat. Check that for salt and pepper. For me, that's going to be fine. Now what I want to do is just drop in a nice amount of fresh mint. You could use fresh basil or some other fresh herb if you wanted. But mint works beautifully in that. Let me give that a stir in. I'll see you at the table. Okay, there you go. Just going to finish this off a little bit more mint, make it look more beautiful, and that's it. Hope you enjoy that. See you next time. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on how to cook great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.